Okay, so I guess this is just a three-parter. Okay, this is going to be short though. So this is the question we left up on classifying triangles. So we were just talking about how, remember, if it's equilateral, it's equiangular, and vice versa. So obviously it's not a right equilateral because there's no right angles up in here. So it's just equilateral because if it's equilateral, it's also equiangular. Now I do believe on your exam, this is a question similar, it also says equiangular. Okay, you do have a question like this one right here on your exam. Remember, the inside of a triangle always equals 180 degrees. So to solve a question like this, you take your information that you know and add it to equal 180 and then solve for x. And I told you this is going to be a really short video because I'm not doing that algebra because you can do it. Alright, and then the last one, you also have a question like this. Now remember, this one is the exterior is equal to interior added. So if we look at this, what is outside, that's what exterior means, outside our triangle. Well, that would be 13x minus 5. And it is going to be equal to what's inside your triangle added together. So that would be 6x plus 3 plus 69. Add those together and solve for x. Look, this video is barely even 2 minutes long. Sorry I couldn't get all this in 2 videos, but remember that your test is due by Sunday, and you can do the review for bonus points. Good luck, y'all.